A satisfying double integral. So we have this integral from 0 to 1, and from again integral from 0 to 1 dx dy by 1 plus x square y square. So here, since both the limits of integration are constant values, it doesn't necessarily matter with what respect we do first, either dx or dy. So that's truly optional for us. So we will first try to do it dx. So 1 by 1 plus x square y square dx, and then we will do it dy. So when we integrate this thing, while integrating with dx, our y will be constant. Yeah. Since y will be constant, it is just like 1 by 1 plus a square x square. So that's just tan inverse ax by a. Yeah, we know that that's a standard thing. So this integral will integral from 0 to 1 tan inverse yx over y, since y is treated as constant over here, and from 0 to 1 x varies from 0 to 1. So when x equals to 1, this is just tan inverse y by y. When x equals to 0, this is 0 dy. Now we see that we can use some series expansions for tan inverse y to compute this integral, and we know that series expansion for tan inverse y is tan inverse y is y minus y cubed by 3 plus y to the power 5 by 5 minus y to the power 7 by 7, and so on. And this series expansion holds if the modulus of y is less than 1, and yeah, that's here in the question as well. And if you want to derive this, you can just first expand 1 by 1 plus x square using geometric series, and then take integral on both sides. So that will help you derive this series. Okay, so now if we have the series for tan inverse y, we can now begin to integrate, and we will get integral from 0 to 1. This will be y minus y cubed by 3 plus y to the power 5 by 5 minus y to the power 7 by 7 plus and so on dy, and divided by y. And if we divide by y, we get 1 minus y square by 3 plus y to the power 4 by 5 minus y to the power 6 by 7, and so on. Over here we have dy, and now it's easy to integrate it term by term. Yeah, it's y minus y cubed by 3 square plus y to the power 5 by 5 square minus y to the power 7 by 7 square, and so on from 0 to 1. So when you evaluate 1, we get 1 minus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square minus 1 by 7 square plus 1 by 9 square, and so on. And at 0 we get minus 0. So now this series is actually known by the symbol z. Yeah, and it's known after Catalan. So it's just Catalan's constant. This series value of this series is just Catalan's constant, and it's denoted by z. So our answer was a super cool answer, and it was Catalan's constant. So the value of this integral is z, which is Catalan's constant. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.